Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, please make sure you don't go without subscribing. I'll be giving you guys more updates on the forex markets, same thing with the commodity markets and the stock markets. So make sure you subscribe. You get an update from me. And if you are yet to follow me on Telegram channel, I'll be putting a link to my Telegram channel. Check the comment section. Once you check the comment section, you see a link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram. There I'm putting out on updates. Last week I gave out a lot of information, updates on the fundamental aspects, also technical aspects. Also, we're putting out some trade signals. If in case you want to trade with me, you can go ahead and do that. So I'll be putting out a lot of information on Telegram. So the link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section. Now let's see what this GBP will be giving us this GBP USD will be giving us this week. Right now, before I want you guys to know that we'll be expecting major news this week. First, we'll be expecting news on CPI, which is going to have an effect on this GBP USD because it is on the USD, right? On the USD index or DXY, whatever. Whatever happens on the DXY will definitely reflect on our GBP USD. We would also be expecting news on PPI this week, which is going to have a lot of impact on this GBP USD. And also on Thursday, we will be expecting, increase in bank rates, right, on GBP, possibly, right. So with these three, key events, so I think some key events will come up that will affect our GBP USD. We need to be very, very careful and be watchful because a lot of volatility is going to play out on this GBP USD. But with what I am seeing right now, personally, I would see this GBP USD hit a level of 1.2671. Let me actually zoom it out for you guys right now. So if you take a look at this level, right, why I've highlighted this level, you can see that price has once reacted to this level. You can see it here. You can see it clearly, see it at the level of 1.26718. We saw price has once reacted to this level, right? One. We saw price reacted to the same level again. Two. So what is it right now price is doing? So price is coming to this same level again for the third time, and we expect a reaction. With that reaction, what do we expect? We expect GBP to USD to actually fall. So this week I'll be expecting a fall on GBP USD. So with that, an increase in interest rates, probably bank rates on GBP, I expect it to drop. I know a lot of people will start watching that. Okay, there is an increase in interest rates, right? We expect that currency to actually go bullish, which is true. There's no doubt. But with the economic factor and everything that when you put it together, you will see that GBP will fall. I mean, take a look at what happened this week that just finished. Take a look at in the federal fund rate increase. There was an increase in federal fund rates, right? What happened to the USD? Take guess. You can go back to look at the charts. The USD fell. Same thing with this euro. I think it was May reference. I can't May refines May refinance or something like that that actually happened on this euro, whereby there was an increase in interest rates. What happened to it also? It also fell. So with this week also, once there's going to be an increase in these bank rates for this GBP, I expect it to fall. By the way, the movement wants to fall. This price wants to fall. I mean, the technical aspect of it says it wants to fall. With this news, I believe that news will make it fall. That is why I'm saying probably if you want to take a trade on this GBP USD, you should actually look for when it will start falling. Basically, I'm going to share the setup on my Telegram channel. I will share the entry level, the stop loss level, and also the take profits level. So if you would want to trade this GBP USD, you are interested in trading it, just follow me on Telegram channel. So I'm going to give you the signal you will enter this trade. By the way, we'll be targeting about 100 to 200 pips, in profits. That is what we'll be targeting. Like I said, this GBP wants to fall on the technical aspect of it. With the news also, if in case there will be an increase in such movement, I also expect this GBP USD to drop. So let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. So we can see, I mean, clearly there's no doubt that this is an uptrend move, right? I mean, everyone can see this is an uptrend move. It is very, very obvious. So once there was price once range within this level, I mean, this was once the resistance level, right? Then eventually price broke out of it, came to test it. If we saw price came here again, reacted to this level, so price has broken out of it. So it's what I think would happen. Basically, I'm not going to trade this GBP USD till when there's an increase in these rates. So that's when I know GBP to USD will fall. That is when I will be setting some capitals than ants, but watching the price closely to take that movement. But with this 4 hour time frame, I believe GBP USD will come to test this level and one more movement upward. And this one more movement will be the final movement I'll be expecting to a level of 1.2678. I'll say it again on a 4 hour time frame. I will expect GBP to USD drop, test this level of 1.25847. If it can test it, then the final movement upward on GBP to USD will be made to a level of 1.26718. Then what will happen again? Then we can now start expecting that massive drop on GBP USD, for a couple of some for some weeks to come.